coach watching this right now, I love high ticket sales. Lean into high ticket sales. I love it. And this approach that I'm going to share with you is very doable and has allowed me to literally scale to a $500,000 a year business. So one of the things that I really emphasize is having a signature program. And having a signature program that actually gets results. So if you've put people through, if you have a one-on-one coaching program right now and you put people through it, amazing. You know that you can get sales and you know that you can get people results. Awesome. Now take that formula of how you help someone get results and create a signature program out of it so that you can scale it. Now, when I say high ticket can be anything from $1,000 to $10,000 or more, right? So my sweet spot is around $2,997 was for like a 3-4 month program. And so what I would suggest is take that program that you did with the one-on-one coaching and create your signature method. How do you help people? And create a really catchy name, a really catchy signature name. Highly recommend that you read the book, $100 Million Offer by Alex Hormozi. Create your method that you are known for, that you can start selling on social media and create, a funnel essentially too. And when I say funnel, like we all have sales funnels. Like we could literally just get a DM and have a sales process in the DMs and that's a funnel, right? So what I want you to do is then create that signature program, package it up. How long is it? What are the deliverables? What do you help people with? What is the transformation that you're creating for that person, right? And then what you're going to do. Now, I used to run ads. I don't love ads. I don't do them anymore because I love the organic sales and I love the relationships that I'm creating in my social media and on my through emails as well. So create some sort of challenge, masterclass, create some sort of small win, okay? Some sort of small win for those people. So you're bringing them in, and then you're going to turn that masterclass or that challenge on evergreen. And what I mean by that is it's just running without you. So it can run every month. It can run year round. People are coming in, getting that quick win, that fast result, and then you're taking them through some sort of sales funnel. This could be through email. This could be through Instagram DM. And you're going to track that and you're going to take people into your then group program that's now you've already gotten people results over, and now you're building community. You can obviously build the community through Trainerize. You can create groups in Trainerize. You can build the community through Facebook if you want. But you're going to continue to grow that, because the number one thing that I see a lot of coaches struggle with is consistency in sales. They have a big month and then the following months they have no sales because they're focused on that one person. What I love to create is consistent sales. Because it's one thing having a big pay in full month, but then it's quite another when the next few months you don't have any money coming in. And what I love, the big flex for me is reoccurring revenue and having consistent people come in every single month. And this process, after I've perfected it, has allowed me to do that. So I'm not wondering if I'm going to have another $15,000 a month or $20,000 a month or my first $5,000 a month. Maybe you're just starting out. So, and then work that system. Do not give up. Don't do it for 2 months and then give up. Literally commit to it. Right now, watching this, January's 2025 is around the corner. Implement this starting January and commit to it the whole year and watch your business change.